In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record GoToMeeting videos. Whether you're hosting an important business meeting, a virtual seminar, or just want to keep a record for future reference, knowing how to properly record your GoToMeeting sessions can be a valuable skill. So let's dive in and go through the steps together. First, once you've successfully joined your GoToMeeting session, take a look at the lower left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the recording option. It's important to familiarize yourself with the interface, as this will help you navigate more smoothly during your meetings. The recording option is represented by a simple icon, making it easy to spot. Getting comfortable with the layout now will save you time later, especially when you're in a hurry to start recording. Once you've located the recording button, simply click on it to start capturing your meeting. An essential tip here is to look for a recording indicator on the interface. This indicator acts as a reassurance, confirming that your session is indeed being recorded. It's a small but crucial detail, ensuring that you don't miss out on capturing any part of your meeting. Now, during your recording, there might be moments where you want to pause for a break or to handle something confidential. To do this, you'll just need to click the recording button again. This action will pause your recording seamlessly. It's a handy feature giving you control over what parts of the meeting get recorded. Once you're ready to continue, simply click the recording button one more time and your recording will resume where it left off. This flexibility allows for a more customized recording tailored to your needs. As your meeting comes to an end, it's time to let GoToMeeting do its magic. You don't need to manually save the recording. Instead, GoToMeeting will automatically save it for you. This convenience means you can focus on wrapping up your session without worrying about losing any recorded content. After the meeting concludes, the next step is to locate your recording. By default, GoToMeeting saves these files in a specified folder on your computer. To find your recording, navigate to your computer's GoToMeeting Recordings folder. Having a consistent file-saving location makes it easier to reference and share your recordings in the future. I hope this guide has been helpful, giving you both the confidence and knowledge to record your GoToMeeting sessions efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you in the next video.